guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing something I haven't done before on my channel, and that is an IKEA haul. So guys, I love IKEA. I go to IKEA all the time, and basically this time we collected a bunch of baby stuff. In the baby section I saw so many cute little gems that I wanted to get for Isaiah. He's now 7 months old. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell and like the video to boost my video in the algorithm on YouTube. Okay, right, let's get into it. So the first item we got was this little bottle here. So it's not really a bottle, it's more of a cup. So this cup here is called Borgia. So it's like this, so it's got the cup part here and the handles here. Very cute, very simple cup, of course, very affordable. I feel like this item is a necessity for Isaiah right now because he is now drinking water and juices, not really juices but more so water on a daily basis. In Dubai it's hot, so he needs water. So a cup like this is perfect. I no longer use the bottle because he can go outside, hold it while he's in his pram, and he can just drink it like this. I think it's really good for him to just learn how to hold a cup and put it to his mouth instead of holding a bottle. That's very easy to use. So yeah, we got these for him. I also had one that I got in the IKEA in London as well. So he uses this. The only downside about these cups, especially for a 7-month-old, is this. They do this a lot, okay? So that's the only thing. You have to watch them because, you know, all the water can literally just spill all over the floor, all over their clothes, and of course we don't want that. So this is the first item. The second item was this bib. So this bib is amazing for feeding your babies. So as you can see, it's got the clip here and it's got the pocket here as well. I got a few of these on Amazon as well. Really amazing quality. However, I love this quality. It's easier to wipe the food off the bib as well if you don't want to like wash it in a washing machine, and also it's just really soft and delicate. So I got two of this, one a green and a red one, and this yellow and green one as well. So we love bibs. Down below if you also have a million of these bibs, because you can never go wrong. They are so good and they are perfect for feeding any type of food to your baby. In addition to those bibs, I also got two of these. So these are also your kind of cover up bibs. So they have a strap at the back, they are long sleeve, and they are amazing, okay? So for the times that I want to give Isaiah those solid foods that are very messy, those carrot sticks or celery sticks or anything that is going all over his clothes, these are perfect. So you just kind of whip it on at the back and that's it really. And it's really nice and simple, especially if you want to let them explore. You don't always have to use this when you're giving them food, but if you want them to explore with water or fruits or anything like that as well. The other item we got is a ball for Isaiah. So we got this ball for him because he needs to learn how to play a ball, okay? So these toys are amazing for that. We also got this rattle here. So obviously I don't need to explain it, but this is what we got as well. And this rattle is perfect. So he just holds it and he just rattles it like this. So we also got this as well. So we got this one for him as well. My little friend, we haven't named him yet. Isaiah is obsessed with 10 little monkeys jumping on the bed. So when we went to IKEA, we saw this, we were like, perfect, we are gonna get this for him because he is gonna absolutely love this. And he does, he literally plays with it. He bites the hands, bites the feet, and I think it's just such good stimulation for him, and it's like his little friend because obviously he doesn't have a pet. So I feel like this is perfect. So in IKEA they have loads. They have like teddy bears of different animals. So they have the lion one. I felt like it was way too big and he might even get scared. So I felt like the monkey was a good middle ground. It's quite big actually, but it wasn't too big. So yeah, in terms of stimulation games, I felt like it was perfect to get him this here. So it has the shapes and basically it has the cubes inside, and he has to basically take the cubes and put them into the correct shapes. I think at this point because he's 7 months, I think it's really good for him to pick things up and put them into place, and he likes putting things in different places. So like he will grab anything that he sees, of course, and move them around. So I felt like this game would be so fitting for him and his development at the moment. So what he does now is he just empties it all, and then he uses the cubes and then he places it into the correct shapes. And I think it's really good for him to just learn how to move things around. In addition to that, we also got this here. So it's a various different shapes and stuff, and you can just move them into place. I've noticed that it has this as well, so you can literally put water in there and let him like see the water come out as well. So I think it's really good. We can even take this to the pool, and then he can like play along with them as well. So as like I said, he likes putting things into containers and stuff. So I think like this will be a very good stimulation brain development game for him to play and to learn and everything else. But we also got him a high chair, guys. So a high chair has been something that I wanted to get him since he's been 5 months old. But as you guys know, I've transitioned from living in the UK to being in Dubai, and I didn't want to buy something and then have to figure out how I'm going to pack it, and it'll be an additional cost. And I just wanted to just make everything easier for myself. So what I did is I waited until I was in Dubai to get the high chair. So we ended up getting this high chair from IKEA. I feel like it's very it was very affordable, of course, and it was really good quality. It's very sturdy and it fits him really well. It doesn't come with a cushion, but we also got this cushion to put on his back to help him with supporting his back. As you guys know from Instagram, Isaiah is now sitting up on his own unsupported, and I'm so happy about that. This chair is really good in keeping that security. It also helps us, of course, feed him. Having the ability to just place his food on the high chair and just pick things up and eat how he feels like it is such a great development for them. So this high chair from IKEA was amazing. I love it, absolutely love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, and I can't recommend it enough. The only downside I would say about this high chair is that after a while, so when they probably reach a year, you might have to change it because it is too small. So I do feel like once he's 1 year old, I'll probably have to get a bigger one and get a more sturdier one that will last until he's a little older as a toddler. But for now, the quality and everything of this high chair is amazing. I definitely recommend it. So it's a lovely blue color, and yeah. The other thing we also got for him was a new playmat. So this playmat that we got for him has corners of different animals and stuff, so he can play with it. And also it's a lovely color. I love the blue color at the moment for him. He can just lie on the playmat and just move around on the playmat, and I feel like it's really good for him to just stay in one little area, so it's safer for him, and it's also really comfortable. It's very padded, and the padded makes it very easy for him to roll. If he was to fall back on his head, he wouldn't actually hurt himself. So I really love this playmat as well. We also got this baby changing unit. I had this baby changing unit in the UK, but once again, I didn't want to travel with something that would be kind of unnecessary, so I got this really affordable one from IKEA. So this one is just amazing. It's perfect for everything that you need, and yeah, I love this baby changing unit, guys. So I hope you guys love this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below your thoughts if you go to IKEA, if you like IKEA, and also any suggestions that you have for me as well. I really hope you guys love this video. I can't wait to make more of these for you guys. I hope you love this video, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. For now, bye.